This video is sponsored by Viofo.
Is the car in there? Oh, wait, no, it's there.
Wait, what?
It's at the top.
There we go. We're gonna freaking get that today. That's coming down.
There's nowhere to upgrade from here. We're going straight to the top.
Straight to the top.
Hey, yeah, I have a pickup.
So far, Carvana is a lot more about the buying experience, but you definitely pay a premium to have your car
You
come
pay 3%
flying.
APR so that it can come down a tube.
On the highlight.
What is that signature?
That's a very slippery pin.
This is the damage disclosure statement.
Sign the paperwork, it's official.
Yes.
How you feeling?
I don't really feel anything right now.
Oh, okay.
I'm astral projected right now. Yo, what up, chat? Okay, I must say, this is the smoothest experience. I've invested 15 minutes in this, like from seeing the car on Carvana to now, not including driving here, like 15 minutes. There were a couple other plaids. There was one I would have picked over this one, just because it had a white interior, but it was like 150 miles away at a little car dealership. I was willing to sacrifice the white interior to just order it on the beach.
Yeah, you literally ordered it like on the beach. That's actually insane.
Yeah, I had 1 bar of cell service, and we got it done.
Triple motor. What the fuck? Triple motor.
I can't wait to drive this. I'm scared to drive it.
Me too.
I've never been scared to drive a car before.
I want to, but I really don't want to at the same time.
Whoa! I freaking love liberals.
Liberals are so freaking awesome. Can you guys set more cars on fire? Like, do you know how much you're devaluing Teslas? I just got a Plaid for $47,000. Thank you. I'm voting for Joe Biden in 2028. Holy shit, I love liberals. I've been getting hate from Republicans for EVs for years, but they never devalued cars where I can just keep fucking buying them and putting them in my driveway. I bought 3 Teslas for $125,000. That's the price of 1 Tesla. We got 3.
That's so true.
I spent $125,000 on Teslas.
This is a fairly high mileage car. Because how much was it? 75,000? Mm-hmm. Okay. It probably reached 75,000 and they're like, okay, I need a new car
That's
now.
a good time to sell it.
Yeah.
Because then I get it. The last owner took $80,000 in depreciation.
Wow.
It was $130,000
Yeah.
4 years ago, and now it's $47,000. He was probably threatened by Democrats. It's like, oh God, I need to get rid of this thing.
We're gonna get it and it's gonna have, I bought it before Elon went crazy stick on it.
Yeah. We're gonna see like repaired key marks in the
Oh
side.
my gosh, oh no.
What? We are getting a Tesla, but it's a different one. What model currently?
I have a Y and he has an S.
Okay, cool.
That's awesome.
Nice. I got an S Plaid today. So. And in current.
Giving a child a gun.
Literally, he's going from the standard range, like 3, to the...
Look out on the road. He does not care. This must be his like 8th Tesla.
It's just like,
Going on ramps pretty fast and stuff.
right?
Yeah.
Where else are you going to be able to use it?
Mexico, I don't know. I actually like that you get to watch other people's deliveries. It's the appetizer. I was gonna say because everyone's so happy, but that guy doesn't give a fuck. He's so sad. He's like, God damn, my life sucks. He would be so good on my channel. Just no reaction. I got my backpack on today because we're doing a school project.
School.
Is this a school thing?
No.
What a gaggle of children walking up to the car dealership.
Working on our school project.
Oh, look at that. That's awesome. Nice.
We gonna die.
What's your bank account information? Jeez. All right.
I hope the wrong car comes down.
Oh my goodness.
I hope it's a Miata. I want a Miata. Oh, look on the screen.
Oh, can you? Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Look at that.
The alarm gets set off.
Holy moly. I'm gonna fucking die.
Oh, I forget you can hear me. They really have to edge us, don't they?
You can't just say that.
Whoa. Okay, this is really cool actually, the way it's presenting to us. Yeah.
Well, they were like 129,000.
Yeah. Yeah, this one was 47,000 now. So
You'll have fun.
yeah, likewise. I hope yours goes well.
Married,
I'm not, no.
chick name.
Right?
I don't know, it might deflect.
Don't scare her.
It's like, this guy, he makes poor
Financial decisions, yeah. This is a bad future
Yeah,
for me.
this could go two ways.
Absolutely.
You're not gonna have any money to take her out.
Yeah, exactly.
I want to see the little emblem.
Oh yeah.
Flat? Yeah.
Little rectangle.
There it is.
Yeah, it is.
Wow.
Thank you.
All right. Oh, thank you.
Damn.
Oh,
It's so big. Whoa. Whoa.
Freaking sick.
Comes with one key card for you.
Cool, thank you.
You know how to work a Tesla and everything?
Yes.
Okay. I know a lot of people, they buy Teslas and then they're like, well, I don't really know how to use it.
Yeah.
Do that look again.
I don't know what the look was.
You were just like, oh my gosh. This is too nice. I don't know if you deserve this, honestly.
I deserve nothing.
And you get everything.
So true.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Just standing there. Look at that
This is a good looking car. Am I cheating?
dude. Literally from that to freaking this. I mean, I guess you got a long range too.
I'm still sad it's gone, but luckily we can just get more of them.
It gets totaled months after you buy it, and then you're just like, okay, gonna get a freaking $50,000 one instead.
The doors clunk better.
Nice.
You're all set.
Thank you, I appreciate it. Okay, wanna get in?
Yeah.
Holy shit, this is big.
What's happening?
This feels crazy. Oh, it's just chill sport plaid. That's it.
And then drag mode.
Oh, we're driving a Model S plaid. What the fuck? This is kind of unreal. All right, now it's hitting me. It's got Alcantara. Oh, I'm a bit of an Alcantara whore. Everyone's just telling me to come out already, but I'm not gay, however. So you're telling me some dude pulls up to my house and he pulls out an Alcantara condom? 3, 2, 1.
Holy shit! Oh my gosh.
Oh my god.
Are you gonna...
Oh my god.
It shoves the camera in my face.
What did we just purchase? Oh.
Oh my gosh.
I think I'm gonna throw up. That's the fastest my body has ever moved.
Other than in an airplane. It's
Okay.
the fastest it's accelerated.
It's the fastest
I guess.
accelerated, actually. Look at my hand. I marked myself with a pin because I was nervous signing everything.
My mouth has just been like this whole time.
Teslas, of course, have built-in cameras, but I always run aftermarket dash cams as well, which I would argue are a requirement if you don't have one built in. From proving you're not at fault in an accident to just capturing interesting moments, I hate driving cars without a dash cam. This video is sponsored by Viofo, and I've upgraded to the A229 Pro, which is the first dashcam in the industry to be equipped with dual Sony Starvis 2 image sensors. They offer a wider dynamic range and higher light sensitivity than usual sensors for less noise and motion blur, no matter the time of day. Many dashcams lack a rear camera, but this one has one with a 2K resolution and a 1080p cabin camera, with 4 infrared lights.
And it has built-in audio, which is especially great if you're like an Uber driver.
The A229 Pro's HDR balances extremely bright and dark areas, which prevents overexposure, like reflective license plates being washed out, which are especially important to capture in the case of hit and runs. It even comes with a polarizing lens to reduce glare from your windshield. It's got a remote control to quickly save clips and edit settings, and has a parking mode like Tesla's Sentry mode. So if you're lacking a dashcam, it's time. You gotta get one. Or if you're realizing it's time for an upgrade, Viofo's dashcams are linked in the description.
Look, there's no horn.
Just tiny little.
Okay, the yoke is freaking weird.
Oh jeez.
Did you hit yourself?
Yeah.
I'm sorry, I should have warned you. Okay, ready, I'm gonna accelerate after this car.
Oh jeez.
Woo! Holy, whoa! Oh my god. I'm gonna start crying. It has an unpaid charging
Paid
balance.
charging unavailable.
It's gonna make me pay for the last guy's charge. Okay, I mean, other than that, it just feels like a normal Tesla.
I mean, yeah, I'm sure it feels like a Tesla.
It do be a Tesla.
Oh, okay. Autopilot features limited. Vehicle's already in drive. Trunk open.
Number 15.
Trunk open.
Burger King cool lettuce. It's all computer. Everything's computer. Okay, ready?
Okay.
Oh my god, we hit 105 miles an hour. These brakes are shit.
Yes, I was like, I do not trust those brakes that
It does
much.
not slow down.
Holy crap. Okay.
My heart is racing.
Oh my word.
I feel kind of nauseous. I just paid $50,000 to be in severe pain. Just casually picked up the fastest car you can buy. Actually, it's the second fastest car after the Porsche Taycan Turbo GT. Shut the fuck up, you drive a Honda Civic. Okay, I got the second quickest car, all right? It's close enough. It's fine, I'll survive.
You will not survive.
Yeah, don't worry, I'll not survive anyway, it's fine. I have so much power under my foot right now.
And you're just not using it.
I'd be such a good president.
I'm not irresponsibly flying down every single road. Can you imagine punching it right now into all of this? Oh no, don't do that. Not with these brakes.
But it did slow down from 105 to 40 like really fast. Hey, that could be us in the Department of Corrections transport vehicle if I keep doing this. Oh, this is so weird. Being a YouTuber is so weird. This is so weird. I bought this because I make internet videos. And people just click on them. And I'm like, yeah, well, let's get the fastest car you can buy. Just cause.
Just because people will click on it.
Yeah.
I'm already exhausted. I feel like I can't move. Like, I'm not going to be able to get out of this car when we get back.
Yeah, I feel like I just like
just gonna
shit
fall
myself.
asleep.
I had more like jokes to make, but I'm just like groaning. Every car we can see, we're quicker than. This has more horsepower than all the other cars I've ever purchased combined.
Those 3 a.m. traffic light races are going to go hard.
Ready?
Uh-huh.
Woo! Oh my god, it's so fast. Cause like the 3 feels so fast to me. Still, after 6 years, my Model 3 is like, that's fast. But that's the slowest Tesla you can get. And this is the fastest you can get.
We have been for like a month discussing the Cybertruck. And Alex was debating it before that. And then he goes on vacation. The last day of vacation, you're like, you send a picture of the order confirmation. Yeah. And you're just like, I got a car. We're all like, what the heck? You got an S Plaid.
That was what, 3 days ago?
That was literally 3 days ago, and we have it.
And I'm $50,000 in debt.
Carvana is actually crazy. Buying cars is actually crazy.
$920 a month is crazy.
It's $920 a month?
Yeah.
Wait. Here we go, chat. He's going. Oh my goodness. Beautiful car. Oh my god. I've had the biggest smile on my face like all day. This is actually insane. This is what $50,000 can get you, apparently, in 2026. In 2025? I don't know. I don't even know what year it is. I'm like actually hyped about this. This is insane. I cannot believe that this car exists for this price tag. I'm so happy for Alex right now. This is incredible. You've done very well for yourself, Alex. Good job. I'm genuinely scared to drive that car. I don't think I will today. Join the Discord. You'll be the first to know when Alex totals this Tesla. Other than like buying a house, this is the most expensive thing he's bought. And definitely the craziest thing he's bought. Let's see what happens next.
I feel like I'm gonna puke. Okay, gamers, we got Ethan behind me in the 3. I love that 3. It's so great. Oh, he's recording. Oh my god, dude. I see the light every time I do that. I feel like I'm gonna go to heaven. Or hell.
And now he's swerving. Okay.
It's fine. What the actual flipping heck, chat? This is the worst commentary I've ever done. I'm just making various groaning noises. I don't know. My car's so cute back there. I love that 3. I know cars don't have emotion, but like I want that car to know that it's very important. It's probably the most special thing that I own. I would rather honestly crash this one than that one because I'm really attached to the black one. It's weird not because of the car, but it's weird because I can just do this. I paid 0 down on this car. All I've given Carvana is $690 for shipping. It's on a 10.99 APR loan. I did Carvana financing because I wanted to see what the experience was like. Oh, fuck. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Oh, you opened. Okay, I will not floor it because we will lose our milkshakes. I will never envy another car on the road again. I wouldn't trade this for any car, period. Like it doesn't you could put like a Lamborghini or a Koenigsegg. I'm like, no, like assuming I can't resell it. If I have to keep the car, there's no other car that's ever been produced that I want more than this.
McLaren
No.
P1.
Frick no. There's no cup holders in a McLaren P1. I have milkshake. It's hard to turn it while you're flooring it.
Really?
Like it doesn't feel like this should be possible.
If you need a dash cam packed with every feature imaginable, make sure you go grab Viofo's A229, linked in the description. Thanks for watching.